Hey there, tech warriors. Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic for all IT professionals out there. Cybersecurity 101. Specifically, we're talking about ethical hacking and penetration testing. So let's break it down. First up, ethical hacking. This isn't about breaking bad, it's about breaking good. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, are the good guys. They use their skills to find vulnerabilities in systems before the bad guys do. Imagine your network as a fortress. Ethical hackers are like the knights who try to breach the walls, but with your permission. They find the weak spots so you can reinforce them. Now let's talk penetration testing, often called pen testing. This is one of the primary tools in an ethical hacker's toolkit. Think of it as a simulated cyber attack. The goal? Identifying security weaknesses that a malicious hacker could exploit. Pen testing can be automated or manual. Automated tools are fast, but can miss complex vulnerabilities. Manual testing, on the other hand, is thorough and can uncover hidden flaws. Ideally, a mix of both gives the best results. All right, let's get into some best practices. First, regular updates. Make sure your software and systems are always updated. Outdated software is a goldmine for hackers. Second, strong password policies. Encourage the use of complex passwords and multi-factor authentication. It's a simple yet effective way to keep intruders out. Third, employee training. Humans are often the weakest link in cybersecurity. Regular training sessions can help employees recognize phishing attempts and other security threats. Fourth, data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest. This ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized users. Finally, regular pen testing. Conduct these tests periodically to stay ahead of potential threats. This proactive approach can save you from costly breaches down the line. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that requires vigilance and constant adaptation. So, stay sharp, stay updated, and keep those defenses strong. That's it for today's Cybersecurity 101. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Smart Start tutorials. Until next time, stay safe out there.